right, we're at it again. Got some metal grates on the floor just for something different for them to different surface. It's kind of slippery and loud. Got our tic-tac-toe. We got our little poppy toy, which I covered in cheese just so they would, look at her. Woohoo, she's better at that than I am. Little poppy toy just to introduce them, and I put some cheese on it just for fun, so they came to see it. Oh, because they weren't real sure about this thing, huh? What is that? You see the poppies? Yeah, there we go. I want to run over any toes. Ah, that's pretty good when it has cheese on it, doesn't it, huh? Yeah, I'm just going to leave it in there for you guys to play with for a little bit. That's Angel on top of there and Star. Top of the tic-tac-toe. You can see she's terrified of it. What do we have here? There's Goldie and Frankie, and there's Myrrh. So we had a little clicker training session this morning. Oh, careful! Are you after my boot? Round and round they go. Let's see if we can set our other camera up again.